Hello friends, my name is Anuja and I am a certified medical coder. In today's video, I am going to review one of the most renowned medical coding institutes to help you decide whether you should begin your CPC exam preparation journey with them. But before I jump into the actual review, I want to share the 10 important points that I will consider in this review series. This will help you understand exactly what matters when choosing the right institute. First, I will talk about the accreditation and recognition of the institution. Is it officially recognized? Is it aligned with industry standards like AAPC guidelines? Next, I will review whether the curriculum is updated and detailed. Does it cover the latest coding guidelines? Is it aligned with current CPC exam patterns? I will also evaluate the teacher's experience. Are they certified coders themselves? Do they have real industry exposure? I will also check whether they provide hands-on training, real-life case studies, and practice exercises as a part of curriculum. I will speak about the exam, CPC exam preparation, all support that you get from the institution, internship and job after completion of the course, access of updated coding books. If yes, for how long? Is it for a limited time or is it for a lifetime? Do they provide access to updating coding books? I will also be talking about delivery options, whether is it online, offline or hybrid. I will also analyze reviews from past students, whether they are successfully cleared the AAPC CPC exams. Finally, I will evaluate whether the course fee is justified, the duration is appropriate, flexible payment options are available. So now let's begin the review. Why to choose MedPro America? They have well experienced real-time and USA certified trainers. Okay, this is a plus point. They have experienced trainers. The mode of training is online and offline both. Classroom training also and online training also. 24/7 chat and call support you will get. Again, here they have mentioned the advantages of online training. Live trainer classes 24/7 you'll get, which will be easy to learn. These are the courses they are offering, out of which we'll check out medical coding course. Let's check the curriculum. They are covering ICD 10 CM, important coding system for medical coding. Also HIPICS they are covering, CPT, HIPICS, modifiers. Okay, the curriculum is good, but they are not covering AI, which is the advanced topic to be covered. So this is a disadvantage. If you check the eligibility, okay, you'll get to see the eligibility. You can check it out by yourself. Let's check the certification. Okay, you will get CPC certification. Okay, you will be certified through AHIMA, which is a plus point. Okay, so this is it. If we talk about the syllabus is good, but I have already told you they are not covering AI. Okay, so they haven't mentioned anything else. Now let's rate this institute according to these parameters. Accreditation and recognition, they are aligned with AAPC, so I would give this one. Updated and comprehensive curriculum. The curriculum is good, which will make you prepare for CPC exam, but they are not covering AI, which is the advanced topic. So for that, I'd deduct 0.3 marks and I'll give this 0.7. Qualified and experienced instructors, they have a highly experienced instructors. USA certified trainers they have, so I would give this one. Practical training and case studies, about this they haven't mentioned anything, so I would give this 0. Certification exam preparation support, yes, they are making you prepare for CPC exam, so for that I'll give this one. Internship and job placement assistance, this part they are not saying anything, so 0. Access to updated coding books and software, nothing was mentioned, so 0. Flexible learning options, online and offline, both they have, so 1. Student reviews and success rate, it is not mentioned, so 0. Course fees, duration, and payment option, this part they haven't mentioned anything, so 0. So the overall ranking we have here is just 4.7. And if you talk about the curriculum, they have a good curriculum, which will make you prepare for your CPC exam, but AI is not there, which is a disadvantage. Also, they are not saying anything about the practical training and case studies. Practical training is important in this field, and they haven't mentioned anything about this. Also, they haven't mentioned about the coding books and software. So, as per me, I won't recommend this institute. And if you are serious about your career in medical coding field, then I have already put the link in the description of an institute that covers all these parameters and gives you 100% placement guarantee. So you should definitely check that out. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching.